Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Delivery quantity. Part delivery of goods. In absence of any specific terms, a delivery of part of the goods in progress of the delivery of the whole has the same effect for the purpose of transfer of ownership in such goods as a delivery of the whole. Example, X sent pieces of sofa to B. B could take delivery of 2 pieces as his vehicle was small. The ownership of all the 10 sofas passes to B as soon as B takes delivery of 2 pieces of sofa. If the goods are delivered with an intention of severing it from the whole, it does not operate as delivery of the remainder. X sells 10 pieces of sofa to B. X takes out only 2 pieces of sofa and asks him to take delivery of 2 pieces of sofa. The balance would be given next day. The ownership of sofas, 2 sofas only, passes from X to B. Installment delivery of goods. Unless installment delivery is specifically provided in the contract of sale, the seller is not entitled to deliver the goods by installments, and still if he does so, the buyer is not bound to accept the goods. However, if the buyer accepts the delivery made to him in first installment, he cannot afterwards refuse to accept the balance quantity of goods and subsequent installment of goods. If there is a breach of any condition under the contract, the whole contract cannot be repudiated. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.